Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In case we haven't met before, I'm Anastasia, the founder of All You Can Face, and I'm passionate about teaching you how to exercise your facial muscles. Because what happens beneath the skin is equally important as what we put on top of it to stay looking beautiful and age gracefully. And today, I actually have a little surprise for you because we will do an entire Gua Sha sequence to depuff your face, increase blood circulation, and just relax your facial muscles and make your skin glowing. So if you have one of these, make sure it's clean, make sure your face is clean, your hands are clean while doing it. And do not worry, if you do not have a Gua Sha, you can actually use your hands or even a spoon to do the almost exact same moves. And what is also very important when you do your Gua Sha routine is to have sufficiently slip on your skin so you do not tug or pull the skin with a tool. And for that, I recommend these oils. And I will link them below so you can have a look. These are really my favorite oils I usually use, but you can use anything you have at home, but make sure it's not something you eat. So I would avoid coconut oil, olive oil, or anything which is actually for the kitchen. So try to use a facial oil, which is perfect for your skin type. And I also made a video on that. So if you do not know which oil is the best for your skin, have a look in my channel and I'll explain everything about the oils in that video. And without further ado, let's get started. Make sure your hair is not in the way and everything is clean and moisturized, and let's go. So I hope you feel relaxed after this routine. This is an incredible way to get your blood circulation going, relax your facial muscles. But if you also want to exercise your facial muscles to lift and get you more volume in your face, then I would suggest to also start with facial exercises. And the easiest way is actually to check out the program at allyoucanface.com, because there you will be able to do every day 10 minutes of facial exercises and massages in combination without any guesswork and asking yourself, what should I do today? And get the best results. So if you like to become the best version of yourself, feel free to subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell, and I can't wait to see you next week. Till then, mwah.